What if saving a species started with a single egg? These are Gila trout, one of the rarest trout species in the world. And to give them a fighting chance, biologists carefully spawn them in hatcheries. But instead of raising them all the way to adulthood, some of these fertilized eggs take a different journey. Packed carefully and kept cold, they're carried deep into remote streams, places where the species once thrived. Here, scientists place the eggs directly into the streambed, tucked into the gravel, just like wild trout would spawn. This lets the fish hatch and grow in the wild from day one. No tanks, no feeding, just current, cold water and survival of the fittest. It's a simple idea with a big impact. Build wild fish from the very beginning. Because sometimes recovery isn't about raising fish, it's about returning their eggs to the rivers, following the roads that lead them home.